Hello Pisces, welcome to Soul Vibrations, here to bring you some soul vibrational messages. Today I'll be using tarot and pentallin to check your general energetic system called chakras, also known as auras, or energy points in your body. With that said, I'm going to begin with a 3-card spread, focusing on your mind, body, and spirit. I have meditated on your energy, Pisces, and shuffled, so I'll just be doing one more set. Okay, just to begin, lots of major arcanas, higher energies. Major arcanas to me represent like stronger energies. In other words, these energies will catapult other energies into action, or again, it'll be like a ripple effect of this kind of energies as was to come. Pisces, you have a lot of major arcanas here, so there has to be some sort of like change or new beginnings for sure here. The strength here speaks about getting a hold of our fears, of the unknown, which would be the moon here, and trusting the universe that justice will prevail, or the truth will definitely set us free, or something in regards to that. These energies are very much there's a fear base to what's going on here, Pisces. So just be mindful that the universe is saying, as long as you continue to be truth to who you are, try to balance your own scales within yourself and understand your own strength, your courage, your compassion, your determination. It will just smooth any hostile forces that are outside of you, out of your control. You know, just believing on your own energy. Understand your polarities within yourself. You're wild and you're tamed, you know. Understand that you are a element of water, human being, and that you have, that we are ruled by feelings and emotions, you know. So if there's something in regards to that, you know, something's asking you for balance, to feeling grounded and not so much in our, you know, try to use all of the elements within yourself here. Your air, your rationale, your intellect, your thought, your wants, your inspiration, your spirituality, your pentacles, your body, your material needs, finances. You know, there's a feel of like getting it in order and having that courage and that to come to get to your final destination, but at the same time trust in the unknown, which would be the moon. Although the moon represents harsh realities, disillusion, there's some sort of like darkness here. The universe does show justice, which is your right to be protected. It's like your scales weighing what you truly deserve in this lifetime. So just have faith in the universe that they will come through. Obviously, there is uncertain times here, and you're really feeling it in your body and your spirit. But your mind has to kind of connect it and try to tell the rest of your whole being everything's gonna be okay. These major arcanas are ultimately positive, you know, like in some shape or form. It's like a harsh reality, but at the end of the day, justice is here. Your own strength is here in the moon, and the moon is you know, your ups and your downs, and just represent. I hope that this message makes sense in regards to the tarot. I'm gonna move forward with like I said, checking on your energy points in your body, in your chakras, in your energetic system. See where else you need to give a little bit more love to, Pisces. So the heart. Yes. Okay, Pisces. The heart is, to me, the filter of both your physical and your spiritual side. Your heart is what brings in the compassion. It's your forgiveness, it's self-love. It is love. Is self-acceptance, intimacy, empathy, relationships, devotion, altruism, and it's our grief. So try to be really within yourself when it comes to your energies at this particular time. It really emphasizes that in order, like, get a hold of yourself here, even amongst the unknown, and bring in all the compassion and the forgiveness and that self-love and that love with everything you do, not only for your greatest good, but for the good of all. And everything will just, the scale will balance. With that said, Pisces, thank you for being here. Please add me to your list, subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. And also, as a reminder, this is a general energy reading. So thank you again, and best of vibes to you, Pisces. Ciao.